So hello guys, welcome to our channel gossipfunda. My name is Tejas Koshti. Now today's we'll look about how to make this type of attractive thumbnail in just a few steps. So move to the video. First thing you need to understand, first you know the which type of photos and images you require to make a thumbnail. This thumbnail I made for how to combine videos. So I know I required some laptops or PCs and this type of videos icon that will show that this plus this is equal to this type of video was combined. And also I required a logo of my channel. So here I already have the logo of my channel. If you don't have, so first make the logo. If you get the idea of which type of thumbnail you want, so now let's move the video. So first step you need to do, just go to the any browser you use. I choose Chrome browser and just type cartoon non-copyright images. Okay, here you find all the free website that will provide non-copyright image, so very safe website. So I choose this one. Here as you see my website was open, so I'm just scroll down and find some images. So here you type cartoon videos and just search it. Now again we type cartoon laptop and just search it. So as you see they have a lot of images. I choose this one, and okay, now my first step was done. Now second thing I required one video logo. I finding all the images but I don't get any logo. So what I need to do, just type cartoon video logo and click image, and here this image you show. So just click to download, and here my downloading was start. So here your first step was done. So what you need to do now, your material all the download. Now the final step is editing. So I choose application, that is PixArt. All thumbnails of my videos I make from this application. It is free to use and very easy to use. So just click plus icon. I choose background, then go to the background and again click to the tool, go to the crop and take a resolution as YouTube. Just so as you see, I first crop this background image for my requirement, then I click add photos and adding all the photos I required or I downloaded. Now the simple step is just adjust all the image as your requirement. So it is totally dependent on your creativity. So guys, don't forget to check out our Gossipfunda YouTube channel. Here we uploaded latest tech related videos, which videos will help you in your day-to-day life. Okay, so please check out this channel, and if you like this video, please give the big thumbs up. It will be motivate me. So thank you so much for watching this video.